The workshop by NIVEA Men. We are back, fellas, again.
Yes, how you doing?
Good, man. Mr. Chaps.
It's good to be back.
Caddy, what's up?
Yes, sir. I'm nice. How are you, man?
Man, I'm good. I'm living. I need some good advice for the gents out there with hair and scalp problems. There's a lot that goes into it, but a lot of us don't know. So if you want to get a clean head of hair and a clean head in general, what are some of the things we need to look for?
If you want to grow something beautiful, the soil needs to be right. It's the same with your scalp. So generally, a lot of guys come in, they've got dandruff, etc., because they're using soap on their hair. Whereas you actually need to use a proper shampoo in order to clean that.
You know, the nice thing about this is you can always have this experience at home with the NIVEA Anti-Dandruff shampoo, which is absolutely amazing.
I never have an itch, and my hair is always clean and flake-free.
Yes, and the best thing about it is that it works from the first wash.
That's incredible. If you have the latest trends for us, what are guys doing then?
Look, it differs. So a lot of our clients here generally have got very simple haircuts, but they're moving away from sort of very chisco to almost a brush cut. You know, so it's clean, it looks neat, it's shiny, it looks healthy. So a lot of guys are moving towards it.
Caddy, let's touch on some trends.
Yes, definitely.
Fashion don'ts.
Okay, cool. Don'ts, we're done with the neon colors.
Done.
Yeah, it's over.
The 90s fashion trend was just in.
You know what's the nice thing about fashion is that it's always trendy. Like things come in 1 month and they're out again. So you always have to be on the lookout and what's happening. Because if you still think the neons are still happening with the 80s and the 90s, oh no, so you're on a new level now.